Cutiecalities, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys some things that I got, which are these ones right here. They are all embroidery related, and these are the things that I'm going to be using for one of my videos here on my channel that will be coming up soon. And also it's going to be basically my very first embroidery video for you guys, and also my very first embroidery that I will be making. So these are the things that I got. It's not a lot, but it's enough for me to make my very first embroidery. And everything that I'm going to be showing you guys here in today's video will be linked in the description below if you guys want to buy the same one. And the very first two things that I got are from Hobbycraft. So this one right here, which is a embroidery hoop, and this one is a 7 inches. And I also think that this is a perfect sizing if it's your first time doing embroidery, because you can actually do something a little bit larger, but at the same time you can do something very tiny and small here in the middle. And for this embroidery hoop I paid £3. And the second thing that I got is a shopping bag. This one is what I'm going to be making my very first embroidery on. So I'm going to be making here in the front and maybe at the back as well, so I can practice a little bit on both sides, or I'm just going to be making a lot of different tiny ones around the bag so I can actually like practice and know how to make embroidery as well. So here's the little information for the bag. This one I paid £1 only, so it's very cheap. And also this one is something that you're actually gonna use. Also you can do embroidery on tops and many other different clothing items as well, but this one I like because I'm always carrying a bag with me, and carrying something that it's going to be actually something that I actually made, it's so nice to have. Of course I didn't make the bag, but the embroidery I'm gonna be making. And yeah, this is my second item. So now I'm going to be showing you guys the kit that I got. So this is the embroidery kit. This is basically how it comes with. It comes in a very tiny box, which is really nice as well, so you can keep everything here. And this is everything that it comes into this box. I didn't open anything, I didn't even open the box yet, so I'm very excited to see everything and all the colors and everything that it comes with this box and the kit. So the first thing that I can see here is this very tiny bag that it comes with quite a lot of things. So I'm gonna be reading here for you guys in the description what it comes with. So this kit comes with 120 mixed colors embroidery thread with gift package. So yeah, this is the free gift. As I can see here, it says here extra free sewing kit. So it comes with one organizer bag, which probably is this very tiny one right here, and also comes with 3 different needles in 3 different sizes. So 2 54mm, 2 51mm, and 2 39mm, and they are all gold eye embroidery needles, as I can see here. And then it comes with 10 colorful floss bobbins that probably are these ones right here, right? So you can basically store your little threads. And then it comes with a 147mm hug hook, which is probably this bigger one right here, and also one threader, so the yellow one right there. So we are going to be opening up this package and see everything close up. So this is the very first thing that I got from the bag, and it's actually 6 different needles right here in 3 different sizes. You can see the very tiny one, and then we have 2 larger ones right here. But these are really nice because you can actually make different things that you probably need different sizes as well. So this is how they look like. I do have some very similar, but the ending, it's very different. This one doesn't really have an end. It's quite square on the bottom, as you can see. It doesn't really sting or anything like that. It's really nice needle. I really like it. So these are the floss bobbins. I remember this back in Brazil, that my mom used to have a lot of these. If I knew that these were basically for for threads. I would keep them, but I didn't really know. I was very little when I saw these. But basically I asked my mom why she uses these ones. She told me that when she did embroidery, she used to put these in little boxes with a lot of compartments, and she chose colors that she was going to use, and then she wrapped the colors right here, and then when she was doing the embroidery she used to use these colors right here in the bobbins, because it's much more easier for you to use from here rather than use it directly from here, from the little pack. So this is the next thing that I got on my pack. This one is a rug hook. And I do remember my grandma using these ones when I was little. It's basically to create also a kind of like embroidery, but it's a little bit different. You kind of like insert this through the little fabric that you're using, and then you pull up a loop and you keep pulling until you have a very beautiful design. That this is what that little thing is for, okay? So you kind of push it down and kind of like bring threads from the underneath. I can show you guys how to use this if you want. I kind of remember how to use it, and because my grandma showed me how to use a long time ago. But if you guys want, I can actually show you guys how to use this one. Just let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see how to make these. These are very, very beautiful. I remember that my grandma used to make a lot of things just like this one. So this is how it looks like. It's not a very good quality one, but you can actually make something with this. So the next thing that I got here in my bag, it's a threader. You guys probably know this one. So insert the threader here on the top of the loop, and you put the thread right here, and then you just pull, so it's easier for you to insert the thread right here in the loop. So this is what it comes in this very tiny bag. I'm very happy with the quality and with everything that it came in this bag. And also I'm very happy with the needles and also the rug hook, this one right here, and also the bobbins. So this is what you're gonna get if you get this pack. And now I'm gonna be showing you guys all these beautiful threads and all these beautiful colors that it comes with. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So these are all the colors. I'm going to be dividing all the colors here so you guys can see what colors it comes in this pack. So we have here all the greens. There are a lot of greens, which is amazing because I love green. We can make like some foliage embroidery that it's amazing. Some trees. Look, these are all the green colors. So these are the shades of orange that it comes here in the pack. This is beautiful. The shades are amazing. And it's so soft as well. I think you guys will love this. This is 100% cotton. So these are kind of like the brown shades. A lot of beautiful shades of brown. Beautiful shades, guys. Very soft. I'm very amazed on how soft these are. For only $7.30, I paid £7.30 on this pack, and it's amazing the quality. I really love the threads. So these are the yellow shades. So these are all the pink shades. We also have some vintage shades right here, as you can see. There is not a lot of black though. These are the only one, and I don't even think that this is black. This one is kind of like a very dark blue. So these are the kind of like grayish tones and plus black. I think it's dark blue, but it's fine. The blue shades, and then we have the red shades, and then we have the purples. It's very colorful as well. It's not like, oh, it's only black and white. It's like very, very colorful. More like an ivory, and then a white one, which is really nice. I love these colors. These are all the shades. We have all of the shades that you guys want, minus black, which is kind of upsetting that it could have come with more, probably like 4, because I know that the contouring of some drawings it's in black, but you can actually just go for maybe a brown, a very dark brown. But of course you can just order black if you want, or just go in the shop and buy some black ones as well. But these are all the shades. I'm very happy with all these shades. They are very beautiful. My favorite ones are the green ones, the brown ones, the pinks, and the yellow ones. The rest is amazing as well, very vivid. The colors are really beautiful. I love all of them, but these ones are my favorite, definitely. But let me know in the comments below which are your favorite colors. I would love to see which ones you guys loved, and also let me know what you guys thought of today's video. I just wanted to share with you because I think that it's really nice sometimes for me to share with you the things that I buy, because I do tend to buy quite cheap stuff but in a good quality, and I like to share with you as well because I know that some of you do embroidery, and this is really nice if you're doing a lot of embroidery, maybe to sell or even for your family. It doesn't really matter how, but if you're doing quite a lot of embroidery, this is a very good amount of threads that you can actually make a lot of embroidery with. So stay tuned for my next videos because I will show you guys how to make some embroidery, and also let me know in the comments below what embroidery should I do and what drawings and stuff, because I don't know what to do at the moment. I'm still thinking of what I'm gonna do, but let me know what I should do for you guys and show you guys how to make on my very first embroidery that I'm gonna show you guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give a massive thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe so you can join the Cutiecality family and watch more of my videos. So I'll see you guys soon on my next one. Bye bye guys.